Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, we are going to discuss most commonly used data analytics tools, languages and related questions. In this video, we are going to define two functions and by two examples, we are going to explain when and how to use the function name, concatenate, combine values. Dataset name, customer table used for the demo. Concatenate join two text strings into one text string and it accepts two parameters. Combine values join two or more text strings into one text string. The primary purpose of this function is to support multiple column relationships. It can accept two or more parameters and it can be used in direct query mode. In the example, we discuss when and how to use the function name concatenate and combine values. In the first three expression we used concatenate function and combine values function to join two columns and rest two expression we use to join three column values.